Put a mask in the mouth of the drain of your bathroom and you will not stop thanking me. Once you learn this wonderful tip, you will make better use of it and you will not sabotage your used masks again. Let's get started right away. The first thing you should do is get one of those masks or mouth covers, and with the help of a scissors, we are going to cut the ends in the same way that I show you. Take advantage and tell me from which country you see me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Naomi Gutierrez from El Salvador. Thanks for watching each of our tips. Next, we take the cut edges and remove the flexible wire piece from inside, since we are going to use it to solve some problems at home. This will be very useful for you to hold your cables, such as the cell phone charger cable and headphones, since many times these are usually thrown away and can easily get tangled, causing them to break inside and damage. So this is a pretty easy way to have them held and organized. Now we are going to use the central part of the mask and we are going to divide it into layers. As you can see, you are going to have 2 layers with different textures, and both can be used in different ways. We can use the bluest layer and a thicker material to give shine to your shoes and leave them well illuminated. You just have to fold the mask like this, and then you rub it on your shoes and it will be shiny and very clean. Which seems like a wonderful trick to me since the special towels to illuminate are expensive, and by doing this, you can save money. And finally, with the softest and most velvety layer of the mask, we are going to use it in the drainage of the bathrooms as follows. First, we will make some holes. For this, you can use a toothpick, or you can do it with the tips of the scissors. By making these holes, it can be facilitated to filter and drain the water. Then we remove the drain cover. We will place the layer of the mask in the drain, and we will proceed to put the grill back on. When using the mask in this way, it will work as a filter, which will prevent cockroaches and other insects from slipping and going up the pipes. And at the same time, it is ideal to prevent the bad odors that slip through the drainage from going up to the bathroom. And if this were not enough, it will also work as a protector so that the hair does not slip and cover the pipes. From today on, do not throw away your mask again. Better use it as I just showed you. In a score from 1 to 10, let me know what score you give these tricks. And also leave me below which of these was your favorite. Also remember to send this information to someone who can help you.